Alright, YouTube, I am back with another video. As promised, it's of my Hoover Decade 80. First, I want to mention something regarding a comment I got. You probably know who you are. It's nothing bad towards you or anything. I'm just wanting to mention a couple things. It was regarding my U4003. The person said that it doesn't really sound like a U4003, or that it doesn't have the original 420 watt motor. Well, underneath it, the motor wattage, which is right there where my finger's pointing to, it says 420 watts. I think maybe the reason it sounds like it does is because, well, the other motor that came out of this actually had a metal fan, which metal fans are heavier than the plastic ones. But this one has a 6-bladed plastic fan, and I have a feeling that is what's causing it to sound like it does. But I could be wrong. If I have to, I'll look into another motor that is 420. I know what the top of these motors look like, so I'll look for one with the same top, and I'm pretty sure the armature is probably also, the motor was probably rebuilt before it was sold on eBay. But here we go with the Decade 80. And there we go. So tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see, and I will see what I can do and how I can do it. Also, my next video, I just want to mention, is going to be a video regarding new YouTube users who check out vacuum videos. So if you're not new to this channel, you don't have to pay it any mind. If you want to watch it, that's perfectly fine with me. But it's mostly for newcomers who are in the vacuum collecting community. So, tell me how you liked it. Once again, tell me what y'all would like to see, and I will see what I can do and how I can do it. Until next time, bye.